Hey, what kind of milk we're drinking today, Christopher?
It's fish.
It's fish milk.
Fish milk.
Fish milk. So apparently it's really hard to milk a fish. You ever see the size of a fish's nipples?
How did you do this? Did you just grind it up?
I used 3 cans of sardines with the liquid, steeped for 45 minutes.
I dislike sardines.
Then I hit it with an immersion blender, and then I strained it and chilled it.
Naturally.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Smells like low tide. It is gray in color. It's not white.
It is gray and distinctly gray, off-white.
Yeah. Off-putting. That's for sure.
There's chunks.
There is chunks. Fish milk.
That's fish milk.
Oh. Oh my God, the aftertaste. No. Ugh. The aftertaste is so bad.